Unraveling the mystery of the digital alarm clock. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and explore its many facets. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a very common household item, something that many of us use every day but might not think much about: the digital alarm clock. Join us as we explore what it is, how it works, and why it's such an integral part of our daily lives. Let's get started. A digital alarm clock is a small electronic device designed to measure and display the time in a digital format, as opposed to an analog display that uses hands to show time. The key feature of a digital alarm clock is its ability to set alarms, specific times at which it emits a sound or another signal to wake up or alert the user. Digital alarm clocks often come with various functionalities, such as snooze options, different alarm sounds, the ability to display the date, temperature, and even connect to radio stations or play music. Their primary purpose, however, remains to help people wake up at a particular time. Understanding the components of a digital alarm clock can be fascinating. At its core, a digital alarm clock includes display. This is where the time is shown in numbers. The display can be LCD, liquid crystal display, or LED, light-emitting diode, offering clear visibility of the time, day or night. Buttons or controls. These are used to set the time, alarm, and adjust other features like brightness or volume. Each clock will have a different layout, but the main functions remain consistent. Speaker. Essential for the alarm function. The speaker is what emits the sound that wakes you up or alerts you. Power source. Digital alarm clocks can be powered through a direct electrical connection, batteries, or even solar power. The digital alarm clock has undergone significant evolution since its inception. Initially, alarm clocks were purely mechanical, evolving into analog clocks with simple bell mechanisms. The introduction of digital technology brought about a revolution in how these devices functioned, offering more precision, reliability, and features. Today's digital alarm clocks can sync with smartphones, project time onto walls, and even simulate sunrise to wake you up more naturally. This evolution reflects broader technological advancements and changing human needs and preferences. We hope this exploration of the digital alarm clock has been enlightening and interesting. From its basic definition and components to its evolution over time, the digital alarm clock is more than just a tool to wake us up. It's a testament to human innovation and our relationship with time. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has enhanced your understanding and appreciation of this ubiquitous device. Remember, time is precious. Make every moment count.